name is Lalit Rao. I am studying in 8th standard A section.
Good morning to all. My name is K. Gogul Kumar, 8th standard.
My name is Pawan Kumar. I am studying 8th standard. My name is Pawan Kumar. I am studying 8th standard in Government Higher Secondary School, Vadapeti.
Good morning to all. My name is Sharon. I am studying 8th standard.
My name is K. Ashwin. I am studying 8th standard.
The woman on platform number 8, Rustin Bond. Section 1.
Lalit.
Section 1. Arun, a school boy, waits at the Ambala railway station, platform number 8.
Meets a stranger, a simple but discreet looking in woman.
She felt point seeing a boy racing the track.
See that he is loving and caring.
Section 2. Satish comes with his mother.
Mother of Satish, a careful woman, at first alludes to be one of strangers.
Then new woman introduced herself as the mother of Arun.
Looks at till Arun gets into train. She stayed with him.
Arun felt confidence
Looks at her till she is lost in the crowd. Thank you.